Greetings from LBI, New Jersey. This is Jim Ferg, and this is the 2019 Edgewater 262 center console. We took this in on trade. Has approximately 586 hours. It's a very nice family fishing boat. You have some drawers, little cabinet area, nice countertop. Put the table in for you to see. Nice surround seating up here in the bow. Windlass. JL audio speakers. Going to open this up to the cat inside the head area here. Nice little head area. There is a mirror. You have a window in there. Rod holders. 2 in-floor fish boxes. Very nice seats. Armrests flip up. Bolsters fold down. You have twin Garmin 8612s. Nice Ritchie compass, Garmin VHF up top, Fusion stereo system, Garmin autopilot, Optimus steering, your battery switches, VHF there, your digital controls. There is a cooler underneath the seat. As you go back, you have twin white 200 Yamahas. Telescopic ski pole. Live well. On the back of the lean post you have some tackle drawers, a sink, little cooler well, rod holder, cup holders, faucet. It is equipped with overhead PFD, overhead rod holders, and outriggers. They crank up and out. But it does have a dive door. And in the photos, you'll see the outside of the hull. The hull is a blue boat. Again, this is Jim Ferg from MarineMax. This was the 2019 Edgewater 262cc. You can reach me at www.marinemax.com or jim.ferg@marinemax.com. Thank you.